Hi, it's Fred Arnold, American Family Funding, in with expert Steve Schaeffer on reverse mortgages. What are the changes coming up this coming year?
Big change. Good news for the new year. FHA has raised the lending limit, the maximum claim amount actually, for the HECM, the FHA insured reverse mortgages, from $765,600 to $822,375, effective January 1st, 2021.
And what does that mean for the ultimate borrower out there?
What it means is, if you got a quick background on reverse mortgages, generally reverse mortgages on an average loan about 50% of the appraised value of the home, or 50% of the FHA max, whichever is lesser. So if someone had a $700,000 home, the FHA would loan $350,000. If they have an $800,000 home, FHA would loan $382,800, which is 50%.
And that was the old one, right?
That's the old one. That's where we are. We'll still be in 2020. Going into 2021, you're raising the limit to $822,000, $800,000 home. The lending limit now will be $400,000, which is basically the full 50% of $800,000. Back here with this lower lending limit, it was topping out at $765,000. So you had $34,400 not being considered as part of the value of the home.
Which is important because a lot of people have either borrowed and owe more than the $382,000, and they don't have to bring in money to pay it down.
Exactly.
Or they want to take a little bit of money out and get the retirement, a booster shot. You always say that.
Yeah,
I love that.
People love doing the booster shot.
You know what? I had a client one time, Steve, and you helped them. I was going in and having them sign their paperwork, and I remember the craziest thing is, every time she walked into her shower, she goes, I can't use my shower anymore because I get shocked every time I go in there. And I go, why? Because she couldn't afford to get it fixed. So we got her the reverse mortgage to get it fixed, which was so critical.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Accessing the funds, I mean, that's the big thing. And what you say is, people who are refinancing and they want to be able to pay off the existing balance so they don't have a mortgage payment, this is a huge difference for people in higher value homes.
Yeah. Now we have a client that is in a reverse mortgage.
Yeah, exactly.
And they want to refinance out of their reverse mortgage. In some cases, get a better interest rate and get a better deal.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so tell us about that.
Yeah, you can do a refinance your reverse mortgage. I'm working with a client right now who did his reverse mortgage several years ago, and because values have gone up and everything, he wanted to go and establish a credit line so he can draw some more money out from the equity in his home. We were working on it, started in like October, November, looking at it, and then in December, word came that they were raising the limit. He's in a home which is kind of in this value range. So no guarantee how the appraisal is going to come in. But we said, why don't we wait? Why don't I just do the application next week in January instead of in December? It's the holidays and everything. And he said, you know what? That's a good idea. Nothing to lose, everything to gain. So,
Steve, those who want to reach out to you, and thanks for sharing this really important information. Reach out in the new year for a reverse mortgage or for their family members. How can they reach you?
Reach me by phone, 661-505-4308, or email, real simple, Steve, S-T-E-V-E, @AFFloans.com.
Yep, call Steve directly. If you have a loan officer with American Family Funding, just give them a call and they'll hand it over to Steve. He's our expert, knows it all. Have a happy new year, and I hope 2021 brings you everything you want in life. Thanks, Steve.
Thanks, Fred. Appreciate it.